So welcome friends. My first question is, can AI replace doctors? So I start this question with this answer. So can AI replace doctors? While AI has made significant advancement in the healthcare industry, it is unlikely that it will completely replace doctors in the foreseeable future. Here are some reasons. So first is human touch. Doctors provide a level of personal interaction, empathy and emotional support to patients that AI is not capable for replicating. This is first point. So next point is complex decision making. Doctors are trained to make complex decisions and based on a wide range of factors including symptoms and risk factors. While AI can provide value insights, the ultimate decision making is still in the hand of doctors. So this is my second point. So in last I include the conclusion of this topic. AI can replace. Can AI replace the doctors? That's the conclusion. So in conclusion, while AI can support doctors' work, it is unlikely to replace them entirely. AI can help doctors make better decisions, but the human element and doctors is still very much needed in the medical field. So this is the conclusion, and next video coming soon.